where they probably used to hang their cups and stuff.
Save that.
Yeah.
Are those going out front?
Yeah. What I'm going to do is cut those along that edge so that I can just pull them out because they're up and underneath the wall.
Do we not want to just pull that bottom board off and put it back on?
It's not under that bottom board, it's under the wall. Like I think
This
the walls.
board. No?
Maybe.
I mean, there's nothing on the other side of these boards. That's what I'm saying. This is the wall.
Good.
Careful with my boards.
Wow.
Okay then. That can go on fire. So these boards are rotted? Wow. That's not supposed to look like that, is it?
There's wire.
Look at that one.
Not supposed to look like that.
That's crazy.
The whole wall is about to fall.
Yeesh.
Well, thankfully all the weight is on the outside walls. And this
Look
is
at
just the
that.
gable wall.
Yeah, but look at this support beam here.
Yeah, it's coming out.
Oh, that one
That's
is?
all got to come out, yeah.
Oh, God.
It's really not as bad as it looks because there's no weight on it.
If you say so.
So I've already got most of the siding off the outside.
Mm-hmm.
Pull that thing right off there once this is out.
All right.
Hand it up to me. This thing doesn't make my butt look fat, does it?
A little bit. But I like it.
Ow. You step on that. Yeah, don't focus on that. Look at that. Saw's off. Got it. Oh, it didn't right. Did I get you?
No.
Sorry, babe. I didn't know you were coming through there.
That's all right. I walked right into it. I can take it.
Yeah,
Everybody's going to know how abusive you are to me.
Wow.
What?
That was just kind of floating.
Is that the only one floating?
That's it. These are all just kind of just barely hanging in there.
Is there nothing underneath that?
This? No. Sitting there.
Tell me that's not held up by a 1x.
Oh, yeah. I think we just need to take all these out.
All what?
All the joists. Just take them completely out.
Take them out and what?
Reset them.
You can't reset them from where they are? Why would you take them all the way out?
It'd be easier. Go ahead. Because I've got to put a Cooper can against that wall right there. And cut these.
If you take them out, you can flip them upside down and not worry about the nails either.
Yeah. And also, since they've got such a belly in them, it's probably going to help.
Yeah.
Because, I mean, they span that 2/8. Let me see that tape measure over next to that drill, okay? And I've got some rust racing in here. But
Not enough.
That's asking a lot of them. 2x8. Right
Is
there.
it a true 2x8?
It's 7 3/4. Almost.
What's it across?
They're 2 inches.
Yeah.
2 inches by almost 8 inches. What we need to do is probably run a girder down the center of this thing.
Okay.
To carry that.
Should we vacuum out underneath the house? Because seriously, ew. I'm just
We
saying.
can certainly clean it up.
Yeah.
You know, sweep it and get
We
the
have
stuff
to.
out and,
It's disgusting.
yeah, it's pretty rough.
Look at these huge rocks that the house is sitting on.
That's crazy. We need to be wearing a mask of it. Yep.
This rock is sitting on another rock. That's crazy.
That's where it's gotta go. That's where it was.
That's your call. This is serious structural
They got
stuff.
a lot of bow in them.
If they're bowing, that's going to be a problem for our floor.
Well, it's also going to be a problem the other direction.
Right.
You know, I mean, this needs to be pretty flat. Putting tile on it.
Well, maybe we don't need to put tile on it if it's that big of a deal.
We need to put tile on it.
Can we mill the bow out of them?
We could string
Take them to Woody?
cut them. We can do it.
And then they're not 8, then they're 2x6.
Well, what we could do, you know, we could flip them over, snap a line on them to straighten them out. So flip them over, snap a line, a string line, cut them with a skill saw, right? That'll give us a nice flat top. And since we're going to run a girder in here anyway, you know, this span won't be too far, so they'll sit flat. That'll be nice and strong. But these got to come out of here, snap a line, straighten them out, whatever we got to do
Okay.
to make a nice flat floor in here.
Okay.
But that's the best thing to do is go ahead
And flip them. We can cut the side that doesn't have the nails. Then we're not pulling out 400 nails.
Yeah, we'll just hammer them over so that whoever crawls under here won't get hung up on them. And then tear you back.
That's you,
up,
kid.
right? You want to get down here and look?
Yeah. Of course I do. I'm nosy.
All the rocks. There's the chimney. Water's probably coming around that foundation. There. Wow, that's tight. Crazy seeing those big rocks like that. Look at that big rock, looks like it's petrified.